Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important technologies that we can implement in our IT environments, which is virtualization. So, virtualization reduces the number of physical servers, leading to lower energy consumption and improved resource utilization. So, let's say you have a lot of physical servers in your data center. If you implement virtualization technology, you can reduce a lot of physical servers. You can have only few servers to run your business when you implement virtualization. So this will reduce a lot of energy consumption in your IT environments, and it will also improve resource utilization. Virtualization allows for consolidation of workloads on fewer physical servers, resulting in improved resource utilization. So, with the help of virtualization, we can reduce the number of servers and we can get the work done, resulting in improved resource utilization. So, we are doing all the work that we need for the business by implementing virtualization technology with only few number of servers. So this is virtualization. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.